US, if you perform on Sting, the one them from Jamaica pay 80,000, 100,000, depends by the time when him go and go perform. You know. Everyone the young artists there, you know, have to pay the promotion to get a blind to go up on Sting. And we will make Sting. Now I not get no pay.
Wow.
You're mad.
Young artists have to pay to go on Sting.
Go find out now. Man call me
That's not really hard to believe.
No, but you thought that it would be the other way around. Like, you know, if you're going to be on Sting,
I see certain people being announced for Sting. I'm like, this seem like them pay for good.
I want you to know that, you know. When your show reach certain stage and certain status, it pulls certain energy. If a promoter want him artist to get a highlight, the manager him responsible for pay if he put the artist line for go.